Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome to today in an additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, almost weekend Friday, September the 9th, 2022. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Let me show you the 7 puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4-star and one with 1-star, and in Dutch they call it cijfer block. And the final puzzle is a binary puzzle, and those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. I've not a fast connection, slow connection, so I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube, otherwise it will be a day job for me. So only half of them I will solve. 4 of them I will solve: the 3 stars, the 4 stars I will solve, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. But first we will start with the 3 stars Sudoku number 5148. Alright, well, the neighbor is showing something, maybe, well, a lot of noise. Let me continue. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 2 1s, 3 2s, 4 3s. Alright, 2 4s, 2 5s, 4 6s. Alright, 7s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. So the 3 and the 6s are a majority. Okay, maybe I can start with the 3. Let me see. Don't think so. How about the 6s then? Well, we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so there will be 3. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6. Well, not true. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. How about the 3 now? 3, no. 3. 3 3, no. Then how about 5 5, okay. 4. I'm scanning. 1 1 1 4 7. Alright. Come on. Where can I well, we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so there will be 3. The only place left for the 4 I should be there. 7 should be here. Yeah. 7 8 1 1. Yes, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these 3 marks. So the 1 in this big square Could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the 3rd column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the 3rd column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9, 9. 1, 1. Then 2's missing. 2, 4, 8. 8, 8. 2, 4. Alright. 7, 7, 9, 9, 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. 1, 2. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have a 1 and 2 in this column, so no 1 and 2 in this box. The 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this row for number 5. Okay. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this column. So no 3 and 7 in this box. The 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 5. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright. 8, 8, 8. 8. Okay. Now we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, okay. 3, 3, alright. 8, 8. Either 8 here. Yeah. The 9. Neighbor. 8. 8. Come on. Difficult part. The difficult part. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. 4, 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in this row. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. The 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. So 1 digit left in this second column for the number 4. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for number. The 1, the 2, The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 7 in this last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. I've marked those 3 boxes with 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this column. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 6, 6, okay. We have a 9 in the last column, the 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 9. How about the 2 in this row, the 2 in the last row? So the row between, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between, second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And look, we've marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and the 2. In this big square, we have a 2 in this column. So no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 2. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 8. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle column. So no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row. So no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the last row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. Okay, 2 missing numbers in the second row. The 1 and the 7, I believe. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this column. So no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Yeah. Let me think. Well. The neighbor. The irritating noise for solving a Sudoku. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So last column, now only 2 places left for the 3. Should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and a 7. We have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 4, number 3. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 and the 3, then the 4 and the 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4 and the 8. We have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. I've solved this in 60 minutes. So is this really 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.